video. I'm in LA again, guys. Every single day. I told Kevin right now, I feel like I've seen him every single day this week, bro. Every single day since I had my car. But look, now that we have a Beamer, you guys are just getting spoiled with all the BMW content. We're around BMWs every day now. So smash the like button right now before we even get into the video, because I know you guys love the BMW content. So far the F80 is a 10 out of 10. I love it so much. I just can't wait till it's louder and we add all the carbon to it. But soon, guys, in a couple weeks we should have a bunch of carbon on it and start modding it. Tomorrow we're actually tinting the windows, so the mod videos are gonna start coming soon. But for now, we're gonna head to another little Cars and Coffee. Another early morning, bro. I've been doing this for the past like 2 or 3 days. Up at 6 in the morning. Yesterday was up at 5:30 in the morning. Today's 6. But I freaking beat, guys. I have not stopped. I've been going non-stop. Vlogged all day yesterday. It was a crazy vlog. And then I stayed up all night editing, and I'm up again with barely any sleep again, bro. I need sleep. I think after this meet, I'm gonna call it a day early and go take a nap, guys, because that's what I need. But anyways, today should be lit. We're with all the BMW homies again. We got Kevin. We got the homie with the F80. This thing is sick. Oh, here's the upgraded taillights. So the meet that we're going to is actually a coincidence, guys. It's actually GTR day. How is a GTR day the day I bring my BMW? So I'm assuming there's gonna be a bunch of Nissan GTRs there. I already know 2 of my homies that are going. Ariane with the GTR, you guys have seen this car in my vlogs. And then Anthro with the purple GTR. I know they're going for sure, but there's probably gonna be a ton of other GTRs and also a lot of BMWs. So best of both worlds, let's go. Hopefully we find some cool GTRs. I miss mine so much, bro. I'm so sad I don't have my GTR, but hopefully soon. I'll give you guys an update as soon as I can. I believe the transmission's already sent out, so the transmission's in transit, I think. The transmission shop, and then once he opens it up and looks at it, then he can tell us exactly what's wrong with it. But the transmission's already out the car and shipped out, so the car has no transmission right now. Anyways, they'll be back soon, guys. I can't wait. I miss that car. And then we can finally have both of them together. I want to have a photo shoot with both my cars together. The Urus? It's so funny in LA. It's so casual to just run into Uruses and Lambos and stuff like that. We made it, and look, I do see a ton of GTRs. No way, bro. Oh, it's gonna make me miss my GTR even more. It's so sad, bro. How does my GTR break? Anyways, we just made it to the Carmeet, guys. Look, a new M2. Comment down below your thoughts. Bunch of Corvettes. This is how I want to be, guys, when I'm like 67 years old. At a Carmeet with my homies still.
Is that FindingNick?
What's up, bro? What's up, what's up?
Nice work, bro.
All these old cars that are probably worth a lot of money. Oh, Ferrari. Oh, the GTRs. Can we go park by the GTRs, bro? We want to park right next to the cops.
I got the wrong car today.
That's what everyone's saying. Guys, I brought the wrong car today. The day I bring my BMW out, that's a GTR day.
Bro, congrats.
You like it?
Yeah,
Finally,
man.
huh?
Finally, F80 gang. But they said GTR day.
No more Nissans or what?
No more Altima, he's driving a German.
You like this one better?
Yeah, it's nice. I like the GTR, man. But this is...
Nah, I know. They're both sick. They're
like
both
the
different
wheels.
cars.
Yeah.
It's just sick. Can I have that?
Well, have what?
That.
Oh, it's a fucking breakfast.
I'm just kidding.
Have it.
I'm just kidding.
You can have a
Police car? I never show you guys police cars because we don't really look into them. But look, they have a whole ass gun right there. That's crazy. I think it's a shotgun. Oh, Tesla screen? Damn. Oh no, fun fact, I've never been in the back of a police car, which is good. I don't know how, but I haven't yet. Oh, that's not good.
M. What is M?
I don't know. That's why I didn't.
Is there another icon?
No, I don't even know what the...
Anyways, guys, let's go check out some cool cars. This is the whole line of GTRs. I'm about to be so sad now. Oh my god, this would have been sick to bring my GTR to. Why is it that my car's broken now? And they want to do a GTR day, guys. And invite all the GTRs out. Look, there's another one over there just chilling by himself. R32 though. Bro, I want an R32 so bad. Right-hand drive. I really want one, guys. If you guys remember, Jimmy let me drive his R32 once. And that thing was so sick. Damn. Look at this thing, guys. That's so clean. Look how low the engine sits. That's crazy. Wow, this thing has a lot of stuff done to it. That's badass, bro. Sheesh. With the e-brake too? That shit ready to drift. Look at the exhaust on this thing. Sheesh.
So we have everything
Badass.
set up.
The R33 is so beautiful. It's literally like brand new. So nice, dude. Midnight purple. That pink color is just beautiful. And we got another one straight out of Fast and the Furious. Pretty sure it's like literally the car from Fast and the Furious. The first one, right? What?
Right hand.
Oh my god, that one's crazy.
Look at the difference on.
I think I've seen this one before.
Look at this shit.
Right hand drive GTR, guys. The only one out here, probably.
And look at it. Is that your car?
I know.
Hey, this is
This is my GTR. Yeah, this one's crazy, huh? And it's the real Millennium Jade color, I think. Paint, guys. Damn, this thing is sick. Right hand drive. I've seen this one in a vlog a while back, but it's crazy to see a right hand drive GTR out here. I don't know who signed that, but maybe the guy who made GTRs. I don't know. Right hand drive. That would be so sick to have out here. It's like a flex, you know? Definitely transported out here, shipped it out here, whatever it's called. Guys, look, I didn't even realize it's a new GTR. It's probably like 2023. I don't even know. The newest one. He said he picked it up yesterday. Paid $130,000 for this, guys. So it probably has like 0 miles on it. But I've never seen the new ones. Oh, the inside is pretty much like a 2017 model. I don't think much changed. The exterior, I think the front bumper and the rear bumper is different. It does look a little more futuristic, kinda. My favorite model is like the 2017 version, the one right after mine. These are kind of like the generations, even though they're identical R35s, but they just changed up a little bit of the body, as you can tell. And that's my year. This is a newer year, which I like this body style better. And then this one's the newest one, which is pretty cool. I know they gotta make some changes, but I'm just not a big fan of that, like the little grill. Right now, Anthro is telling me, what if they just wrap this part and that part black? Like all that black to kind of match that, replicate that. I think it'll look cool.
Interior, Nick.
The thing's nice. Is that yours?
Yeah, it's mine.
No way,
Last
bro.
night, brand new.
That's so sick.
Yeah.
I don't know. I overheard people talking about it.
Oh yeah.
They just picked it up.
First 24's out here.
That's what I was saying. I've never seen one.
Yeah, dude, I was watching.
Oh, red interior.
Non-stop, dude.
Oh, really?
Figure out what I wanted to do it. Yeah,
That's
dude.
awesome.
Yeah, red interior, man.
It's so nice.
I was able to custom order through Nissan directly, so.
Wow, that's crazy. Yeah, it does have red interior. It smells brand new.
Yeah, it has brand- 40 miles on
Literally
it.
40 miles, guys.
Yeah.
That's so crazy.
Yeah. It's got nothing's too crazy that's different, just the rear and the front.
Yeah, the rear and the front bumper pretty
Looks
much.
like
Huh?
an R34, and then
Yeah.
they changed the rear bit, put the exhaust further in. You can see the difference.
Yeah, it's cool because you can see it kind of all the. That's what I was saying.
Yeah, you can see all the
differences.
generations kind of lined up like that.
It's cool. I like it.
Yeah,
That's a stock exhaust too.
Yeah,
That's crazy. It comes
just
like
burns
that.
the tips in from the factory.
That's pretty sick.
Yeah, dude.
Well, yes, congrats, bro.
Yeah, you appreciate it, man. Good seeing you.
I know, nice seeing you too. Beamer boys, TE boys. Yeah. It's clean or what? Looks good on. The wheels are all dirty though, but it's funny. Everyone just see the car for the first time, guys. Guys, I've never seen one of these in person. The new Hummers, full electric too. I heard it's hella fast. Bro, this shit looks like straight out the future. Imagine? Wow, bro, this thing is sick. That's badass, guys. Electric Hummer. Damn, another GTS. Guys, look who's here, guys. The homie with my old E36 M3. Yes, literally my old car, bro. The exact same one. He got new wheels on it, and he added the wing, which I always wanted to do, bro. He finally put the wing on. Something I've always wanted to do to this car, but I never got around to it. But damn, that's crazy. Now it looks sick again. Isn't that crazy? It's my old car.
Miss it?
Yes. Did you ever see it back then? Yes, huh?
Yeah. Remember we put the Christmas tree on top?
Oh yeah, I do remember that. You guys remember when we put the Christmas tree on this? We did so many videos with it. He actually drives the car. Like he puts this thing to work. He's always at the track and stuff. Probably all up in the canyons all the time. Definitely miss this car so much. I can't believe I used to have this car. Like this exact one is mine. Was mine. I wish I kept it. I should have kept it. I regret selling it. This car is like the one that I really do regret selling because it is hard to find a Hellrot red E36 M3, 1997, same year as me. Everything was perfect, bro. It was so clean and mint inside and out. I should have never sold it, guys. And also the prices shot up. If I told you guys how much I sold it for, you guys would laugh at me right now because these are like double the price of how much I sold it for. You guys can probably guess how much I sold it for. I regret it 100%, but back then the prices just weren't like that. I did not know. No one expected them to go up that high. Oh shoot, Huracan. Sick. Bunch of supercars, guys. Look at it. Pista. Anyways, yeah, this car is the one that I regret selling because it's hard to find. The E92, not so much, because you can always find another E92, you know? But these are a lot more rare than the E92 in a nice condition too, you know what I mean? It's cool that we get to see it here and there. I don't know where my E92 is. It's kind of sad. I was like, there's even more F80s here. A bunch of them, bro. Damn, these colors are super nice. But look, he has TEs too. Like David's Advance and TEs put together. He has the Mag Blue Advance and he also has TEs, but this guy has Mag Blue TEs. It's so crazy that I have one. I still can't believe it. I don't think it's hit me yet. I need to get a front lip though. And then there's a Nardo gray one over here. This thing's nice too. I wonder if it's paint or wrapped. You guys know that I was looking at a Nardo gray one for sale too. You guys probably seen it online all over the place. I was getting tagged in it like crazy. And I was gonna go look at it too. That one had a lot more mods. It had like a front bumper. It had like all the carbon done to it. It was even tuned and intakes, full bolt-ons. What's up, bro?
What's going on?
How's it going? What's up?
No way, bro.
So yeah, like for me, I want like a stock F80. That's why I'm glad I found that one, because then I could mod it all for myself on my YouTube channel. Another R33. We got Anthros R35. We'll probably cruise with them after this so you guys can see the GTRs. Get some GTR content in here because I've been just full of BMW content lately. I miss my fat tires. That thing's sick. The homie Nathan Supra. They're right there, look. You guys remember the Supra when we raced them? Look, third gear pool. My boys need to bring the vlogs back. If you guys remember this Supra, it's from the very, very sad video. I always bring it up, but me and him raced one day and he blew his motor. It was so sad. Viral video, but sad day. Another Supra. It's that Fast and Furious spec, huh? I saw a bunch of NSXs here. I think it was NSX and GTR day. That's why there's so many of them. Damn, there's a lot of them. Oh my God, this one's crazy. Oh, that's really clean, bro. Look at those wheels. Super nice. Guys, look at BBS's. Yeah, there's a lot. Ooh, this one's nice too. All the red ones. I've never seen so many NSXs in my life. Damn. This one's hella nice. Oh, this one's perfect. I wouldn't change anything to this one. But yeah, look at all the red NSXs. Jimmy, you're missing out. Debate in the comments, please. Everyone go argue down below. Do you like the M2 or not? Someone make a poll, guys. I don't know, bro. I just don't like it. It's very nice. It's a nice car. I just don't like the look. I don't like the front bumper. I'd rather go with the older one. What the? This shit probably expensive. Isn't that how you start it? I think you like wind it up, right? And it starts. Imagine driving this. There's so many cars here, guys. I'm trying to show as many as I can because I feel like I don't show all the cars at these Cars and Coffees all the time. I always show like the BMWs, the GTRs, but maybe some of you guys want to see stuff like this. What the heck, bro? That is a huge tire. God damn, roll cage too. A little sleeper right here. Look at Dodge Demon, guys. You never really see those. Damn, that thing's nice. Look, two of David's. This is very, very clean, guys. This E36. Sheesh, the same wheels I had on mine. Yeah, it's hella clean. But yeah, look, two Austin yellow cars, guys. Just like David. David's missing out. He should be parked right here. This thing is wild, bro. It'll legit blind you in the sunlight. Oh my God, that shit is really blinding. You can't even look at it. I'm like this, bro. Bro, I feel like this might be the best sounding exhaust on these cars. It's hella loud. See, that's what I miss the most, the sound of these cars. I wish that F80 sound like this. Oh, he's close. Sick ass food. Who's on bags? Look how much attention this wrap gets, guys. Everybody's coming over here. Definitely a neck breaker, bro. All the carbon. Congratulations, bro. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. I'll change you. Must be nice. Can you adopt me? That's okay. You literally see my reflection in the car. You see my pink hair. The old Gustavo, guys.
My grandpa.
Kevin said my grandpa. That thing's nice, bro. These old guys take care of the car so much. This thing is crazy. Look how low this car is. I can literally look inside the car, guys. That's how low it is. Ooh. That is sick.
That's what's up right there.
So clean. Bro, I found this random GTR over here. It should be over there, bro. Look at the cars you see here, guys. I'm trying to show more of the variety of cars here, but yeah, like the things you see at these little cars and coffees. Oh my god. That is insane. Bro, I think there's a sick ass F80 over here, guys. I saw it pull in. Oh my god, that thing is nice. Same wheels. I want to do a roll cage so bad.
What about your kids?
What do you guys think? My kids? Hell not. I want to do this roll cage, guys. The same exact roll cage. You can't really put anyone in the back seats anymore, though. Once you do this, no one can sit in the back. The cage is so sick, bro. That'd be like my favorite mod, probably. From Hawaii? I miss Hawaii, guys. I want to go back. But yeah, look, now you can see the cage on this side. Wow, that thing is sick. What do you guys think? Should we do the roll cage in mine? Comment down below. Damn, that thing is nice. GT2 RS, guys. He opened the valves. Dude, that thing is sick. Imagine that in orange.
Oof, makes me so happy.
Okay, man, we should get EJ's reaction to my hair.
Yo, clown, you're so
He's gonna be so
do
bad.
it. I need to get, Wait, let me film this.
Oh my god, bro.
He's gonna talk so much crap, guys. EJ has no filter. EJ, look.
Who the fuck is this Daydam shit, bro? What the fuck are you? Fucking Daydam? What are your pronouncements,
Bro, you like it?
I was waiting for that reaction.
I would go along with man. What the fuck?
Found you.
They're roasting me right now.
We found Nick. He lost his manhood when he went purple.
Damn, that was GT3. The other one's GT2. That was GT3. It caught my eye because it kind of like matches the Yasmarina blue on BMWs. But you know what else caught my eye? This shit ain't stock, bro. He's not fooling nobody. Got that fresh kick setup, huh? It is sick. I think it's the Nismo bumper. I think. So sick. Damn. That's a badass GTR, bro. I thought it was the same one, but nah, now you can see like the facelift. It's way different. Damn, HRE wheels. So quiet. Alright guys, we out. We better go grab some food real quick with all the homies. We got the Supra, we got the GTR, we got the M4 GTS, we got the M8. Where's EJ at in the M8? All the homies, it should be lit. You like it? My boy Doza. Again, if you guys don't know, he's the one who makes all the beats for these vlogs, guys. All of them. So all those beats that you guys always ask me what song is that, what instrumental is that, it's him, guys. He makes all those beats for me. I'll leave his Instagram down below if you guys want any more beats. Sheesh. That's the one with the big old tires on it. Look at Nismo, guys. Sheesh. There's a bunch of sick cars. Finally getting some food.
You have a burrito? You have a burrito? Do it. Dude, it's a big burger.
Shit like bomb though. Look at this. Oh, that shit is loud, dude. Alright guys, we finished breakfast. I'm about to head home. Probably go take a nap. Maybe do something else later on, but I need a nap, guys. I'm so tired. Bro, the Supra looks so good. Even the GTR, both of them. After those GTRs, the turbo sounds so crazy.
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see.